In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Telegram in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if your app is in the wrong language or if you simply prefer using Telegram in your native language. The process is quick, works on both Android and iOS, and doesn't require any extra apps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Telegram and app tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once Telegram is open, look at the bottom or side menu and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option called Language and tap on it. You'll now see a list of available languages supported by Telegram. Simply scroll through the list and tap on the language you want to use. As soon as you select it, Telegram will instantly switch to that language with no restart required. That's it. You've successfully changed the language on Telegram in just a few seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides.